look at that. What's that for, Sky? I don't know. What you think it's for, Harold? Huh? Woo! Jägermeister! But it's not about that yet. It's about the Red Bull part, okay? Because guess what? Y'all had Jager Red Bull before, right? But have you ever had it as a slush? Watch this, homeboy. So now we got to create some ice cubes. I can go same time. Oh yeah. Running low, running low. Can he make the end? Can he make it? Yes, he did. And now I take this off to the freezer so we can party. Hey! Party! 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 We both go party! Okay, so now, homeboy, look at that twist. I twist that, and all my cubes should just drop in. Come on, don't embarrass me. Come on, 3 more. Thank you. Next week. Oh, okay. Gotta finish the drink. Now, homeboy, we come behind with the juice of the gods, okay? See the cross right there? That means, oh my God, okay? And then they're the horns of the devil as you enter hell. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jägermeister is 11. Makes no sense, but it rhymes. So, okay, so guys, now we put this on. And we're gonna blend our business. Don't go too heavy with the Jager, because you still want the drink to be yellow, like Red Bull color. Because if you pour too much, it can turn like this dark brown color. Still tastes good. Probably would be stronger, but take it easy, Jim, take it easy. We come behind. Oh yeah, look at that pour, okay? And for the greedy among you, we can tap it down, okay? Just so more could fit. Why? Because this is America and we go big. Check this out now, I got this little thing here, right? Watch this. Put a little cup there like so. Watch this, man. Ooh, look at that, what's that for, Sky? I don't know, what you think it's for, Harold? Huh? Fun? Oh, Lord. Then you come behind with your little cherry, okay? Somehow this feels real sexy. We're walking on your girl with one of these, okay? Trust me, she'll love it, okay? That's how I got a girlfriend. All right, so you just do that, and guess what you have there? And there you have it, the Jägermeister. Oh, what's this? This is the Jagerbomb slush, okay? Something like that. You see what I'm saying? So not only do you have a drink, you got breakfast and fruits. I don't get the breakfast part. Whatever. Anyway, as always, drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. Au revoir.